Hi Hans, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Lucy. On my Instagram I asked you what kind of tutorial would you like to see. By the way, the link to my Instagram, if you want to follow me, it's down there. I asked you what kind of evening makeup tutorial would you like to see, something simple or a little bit crazy, and 60% of you wanted to see something a little bit crazy. So we have this iridescent, glowy, glittery evening extravaganza, but it's super simple at the same time. Because you know me, I don't have like 3 hours to do my makeup. So if you want to know how to make this look in about 10 or 15 minutes, keep on watching, and I'm gonna announce Huda Beauty giveaway winner. And there are gonna be some New Year's Eve wishes, a lot of going on. Oh, and Ella, thank you for the hoops, girl. So the first step is gonna be eyelid primer. I'm gonna use the one from Morphe, as I always do. That way highlighters will give us more of the color payoff. And I hope I will manage to create something spectacular, like New Year's Eve worthy, but simple at the same time. I'm gonna start with Jeffree Star Northern Lights palette, and I'm gonna dip into shade Thought Out. And just place this in my inner corner, and it's gonna be our first shade to create this glowing iridescent ombre look. And for the blue, I'm gonna grab my Fenty Beauty Killawatt Foil in shade Poolside. Just apply this in the middle of my crease. Oh, this shade is so lovely. It's blue with just a little bit of the pink, so it's gonna blend very nicely with other shades that we're gonna use in a second. And for other corners, I'm gonna go with another Killawatt Foil, this time from the palette, Sub-Zero, this lovely deep navy shade. And I promise you, this video isn't sponsored by Fenty Beauty, but we're gonna use a lot of her products. And for lower lash line, I'm gonna go with another Killawatt Foil. It's gonna be Sangria Sunset, this lovely intense pink. Let me just grab a fresh brush. I love using cold tone pinks on my lower lash line because this is the quickest and the easiest way to make your eyes look rested and younger. And to connect my inner corner with this pink, I'm gonna go back to this Killawatt Foil in 7-Day Weekend and just blend this a little bit together. And for other corners on my lower lash line, I'm gonna go with my Norvina palette and shade Celestial. The brush just fell off. And to finish the top lid, I'm gonna go with shade Drama from the Norvina palette. And I'm gonna mix this a little bit with the shade Heartburn from my Fenty Killawatt palette. I'm gonna use Lime Crime brush from the birthday collection set. This is this dense brush, and it's amazing when you're gonna pack a lot of eyeshadow on your lid. So I'm just gonna dip this in Drama and stamp this on my lid. And I love this brush because you can make a cut crease without actually making a cut crease. You just stamp the color on your lid, or you can go a little bit deeper in your crease to have like a more of a smoky effect. And now with the smaller brush, I'm gonna go for the shade Heartburn and put this in other corner a little bit, just, you know, to make those long sexy eyes. Let's leave the eyes for a second and focus on the highlight. I'm super tempted to use this orangey Mimosa Sunrise, whatever. But I don't know if it's not gonna be too much. Ooh, I don't know. Choices? For the base, again, I'm gonna go with my favorite highlight Anchorage from Jeffree Star Northern Lights palette. And just gonna apply this on top of my cheekbones. We need more of a color payoff. Let's grab the 120 from Fenty Beauty. I told you in this video I'm gonna use a lot of Fenty Beauty, and this video isn't sponsored, but I feel like it should be. A little bit on the nose and around my lips. Okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna go for this orange. I pray to all the makeup gods it's not gonna be too much. So I'm just gonna start very gently. Ooh, okay, I see you. So I'm gonna use this orange to connect the eyeshadows with the highlight. You know, it's New Year's Eve, so we can go a little bit crazy. If you are going all out, I'm gonna go all out. I'm gonna go with this pink Sangria Sunset as well and put this a little bit here just to connect the contour with the highlight. And to blend everything nicely, again, I'm gonna go for the shade Anchorage, but with a fan brush. Just go on top of everything. Oh wow, disco era is back! Look at my hoops, there's no coincidence here. You know what they say, the bigger the hoops, the bigger the hoe. Tea. And now let's add some sparkle. The easiest way, it would be to just grab a bottle of glitter and make a baby together. But, the thing with the glitter is, it's only reflecting light, so in the low light, it only reflects light. So if you're gonna be in the situation that is quite dark, you need some help. And the easiest trick is just to grab a white eyeliner and make some dots. That way you're gonna make illusion of glitter reflexes even if there isn't enough light. Smart. And now I'm just gonna place some random dots. Some of them gonna be bigger, some of them gonna be smaller. And some of them are gonna ruin our makeup. And I will mainly focus on top of the lid, outer corner and inner corner. But you know what? You can do whatever you want. You can even draw some crosses, stars, whatever you feel like to. But to make it simple, I'm just gonna go with the dots. And to make everything sparkle and take it to the next level, I'm gonna go with glitter, but to keep the thing simple, I'm gonna use Lime Crime Diamond Dew, which is like a liquid glitter eyeshadow. I'm gonna use shade Confetti because it has like chunky pieces of glitter inside. And that way you don't have to use any glitter glue or stick individual pieces to your face. Stamp just a little bit of Diamond Dew in the places I want to shine more. Basically the eyes are done. I'm just gonna apply lashes off camera. I'm gonna use my Eldora lashes M102 and be right back. I'm back, and if you thought I forgot to announce who the beauty giveaway winner, not on my watch. Let me just apply Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in shade Fussy and we will go straight to the business. And I decided to go for the lip gloss with this look because, let's be honest, it's New Year's Eve, you're probably gonna get drunk and you're gonna vomit for the half of the night, so we're not gonna waste 1 hour. Oh, my phone is buzzing. Give me a moment. So there's no point to waste an hour to perfecting some ombre overline lips. Let's keep it simple so we can make adjustment in a second. And now let's pick a winner for the Huda Beauty giveaway. Drum rolls, please. Alright, so I'm gonna go to my YouTube channel. Okay, let's upload all the comments and I'm gonna choose one of you at random. Bam! And the winner is, I don't know if you see this in camera, Anas. So let me read your comment. Oh, what happened here? Al, you are officially one of my favorite YouTubers. Oh, thank you, love. Your sense of humor, I really want to see much more of your tutorials. Well, you asked for it, you got it, and I promise I'm gonna upload more. And Anas, please hit me in DM so I can send to you what's inside of this gold box. This is gonna be my last video this year, so I'm just gonna grab some champagne and I'm gonna celebrate. And from the bottom of my heart, I just wanna say thank you for being here with me. Every subscribe, like, comment literally means a word to me. And I hope this 2019 is gonna be a really amazing year for you. I can only wish you that you will find your happiness, your love, your dream that you're gonna follow and you're gonna succeed with it, in it. And for myself, what can I wish for myself? Well, of course, to grow and to deliver more beauty and comedy content for you guys. I have some new videos idea that I'm gonna start uploading in January, so just make sure to click that subscribe button not to miss out, and I hope I'm gonna get better with every single video. So if you have any suggestions, any pointers, just write the comment down below. I'm gonna be super grateful for that. And on the outside of the YouTube, well, I have everything I need. To cut things short, I wish you all the best in 2019, and as always, thank you for being here with me, as I said already, and see you on the next one in New Year. Bye!